Alright. So, hindi naman lahat ng quadratic equation ay merong GCF. For example, this this equation, x squared minus 25 equals 0. Meron ba silang GCF? I mean, yung mga terms nila, meron bang GCF? X squared and 25, well, wala. Wala silang GCF. First of all, ito ay walang x. Second, wala siyang constant. So, there's no way na meron silang GCF. So, how do you solve? Yung next step, basically, kapag walang GCF, is you have to look for perfect squares. Or more specifically, what is that difference of perfect squares? So what does that mean? Well, if you remember from elementary, when you subtract from two numbers, let's say 3 minus 2 equals 1, you are getting the difference. That means subtraction results to the difference. So, if you see this, if there's only two terms, first of all, and what? And it's subtraction, and they are both of the terms are perfect squares, then it's actually super easy to solve it. You just need to memorize a formula. And this is the formula. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Okay. So, we need to use this formula to factor this quadratic equation. So let's do that. X squared minus 25 equals 0. So we will set x squared as a squared and 25 equal to, baliktad. It's equal to 25. we just need to get the square root of both sides here. So square root of this, square root of this, and this. So remember, square root and squares cancel out. So this, tatanggal lang sila. Well, ito, well, ano ba yung 25? 25 is equal to what again? 25 is equal to 5 squared. Okay, 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay, so na-cancel na yung mga yan. Tingnan natin what happens is this. A equals X, B equals 5. Ano yung formula kanina? A squared plus B squared equals, dm plus A squared minus B squared equals A plus B times A minus B. So, just gotta write this. A is equal to X, so X and B was 5. So 5. Then, same thing, but now it's subtraction. X minus 5 and equal to 0 again. We're done. It is finished. This is the final answer. Okay. So the main takeaway here is this formula. A squared minus B squared equals A plus B and A minus B. That's it.